Before we move into the next piece, I want to speak from the heart for a moment. When I watched Akshaya perform this during rehearsal, I wasn't watching it as an audience member. I was watching it as someone who knew her for years. And yet, in that moment, it didn't feel like I was watching her anymore. Somewhere along the way, I just found myself completely still with tears in my eyes and goosebumps that stayed long after the music ended. I can still feel it right now. And that is exactly what you are about to witness. So I say this to all of you, brace yourself, because this piece doesn't just stay on the stage. It reaches you. It will move you. It will stay with you, and for a few moments, it might even make you forget where you are. This is, without a doubt, my favorite piece of the entire recital, because it doesn't feel like a performance. It feels like a prayer. And honestly, the moment I'm done speaking, I'm going to sit down in the front row because this one piece I want to feel and not just introduce. At its heart, this composition is a profound expression of bhakti and sharanagati, a devotee's complete surrender to the divine. The words Hari Tum Haro mean, O Lord, please remove our suffering. And through them, the saint poet Mirabai pours out a deeply personal and emotional plea to Lord Krishna. A 15th century mystic and one of the most prominent voices of the Bhakti movement, Meera devoted her life to Krishna, seeing him not just as God, but as her beloved and eternal companion. Her composition reflects intense devotion, longing, and unwavering faith. Musically, this bhajan is rendered in the majestic Darbari Kannada, a raga known for its depth, gravity, and meditative quality. Characterized by its slow, oscillating phrases and rich introspective mode, Darbari Kannada beautifully enhances the feeling of longing, devotion, and surrender that defines this piece. In this composition, Meera calls the Lord's boundless grace not as distant stories, but as living moments in divine intervention. She remembers Draupadi, standing in a royal court, humiliated and helpless, with no one to protect her. In that moment of complete surrender, when she raises her hand and calls out to Krishna, he comes, not in form, but in grace, endlessly, miraculously, protecting her honor when all else had failed. She remembers Prahlada, a child unwavering in his devotion, standing fearlessly before his father Hiranyakashipu. And when tyranny reaches its peak, the Lord manifests as Narasimha, fierce, unstoppable, emerging from within a pillar itself to destroy evil and protect the devotee who never lost faith. And she remembers Gajendra, the elephant king, caught in the grip of a crocodile, struggling, exhausted, and with no strength left. In that final moment of surrender, when he offers a simple prayer, the Lord descends, swift and compassionate, to rescue him. Through these powerful moments, Meera reminds us of a single unwavering truth, that the divine may not always arrive when we expect, but he always comes for those who surrender with complete faith. This bhajan also carries a beautiful historic connection with Mahatma Gandhi and the legendary M.S. Subbulakshmi. During her visit to Delhi, Gandhi expressed his wish to hear her sing this bhajan. Though she was initially unfamiliar with it, he gently remarked that he would rather hear her speak the words than have someone else sing it. Moved by this, she learned the piece with great devotion. It was recorded at the All India Radio Studios in Chennai on the night of October 1st and flown to Delhi the next morning to be played for Gandhi on the evening of his 78th birthday, October 2nd, 1947, a moment etched in history. On this auspicious occasion of Narasimha Jayanti, let us immerse ourselves in his heartfelt prayer and seek the Lord's blessing. Hari Tum Haro, a bhajan by Mirabai, set in Braj Bhasha, tuned in Raga Dharbari, Kannada, and set to Adi Tala.
पे भगत कारण रूप नरहरि धर्यो आप शरीर भगत कारण भगत हिरण्यकश्यप भगत कारण रूप नरहरि धर्यो आप शरीर हिरण्यकश्यप मार दीनो धर्यो नादिन धीर हरे हरे बूढ़ते गजराज राख्यो कियो बाहर नीर गजराज हरे 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 बूढ़ते गजराज राख्यो कियो बाहर दासी मेरा लाल गिरिधर दासी मेरा लाल गिरिधर दासी मेरा लाल गिरिधर दुख जहाँ तहाँ पे हरे हरे तुम हरो जनकी हरे 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 नारायण 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 हरि नारायण 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 हरि नारायण 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 हरि हरे हरे
That falling of Jhumka spoke for itself how powerful the performance was. I think when I spoke earlier, I said this piece would take you on a roller coaster of emotions. I really hope you all felt that. Because sitting there and watching it now, it still felt just as powerful. I'm just too emotional to speak more about this. There's just something about this piece.